There's a worm.
I missed my $5.
It's no worm sandwich.
No shit.
So cheap.
I missed my $5.
This is going in this mouth right here with the stick.
I could have 15 instead of 10.
This.
Oh,
Ready?
Kim, you're so fun. You're so fun. You blew my world.
Hey, Kim!
You guys don't get really fucked up? Like really fucked up?
That's why I feel bad.
Do you want to take half sleeping pills with me and just drink?
It'll mess you up.
Fuck. No, remember what happened tonight.
Really?
It's like gravel. Have you ever done gravel? It's like
No, it's worse than gravel. It's fucked up.
I've done it.
I
Okay,
fucked up
I don't have enough time.
And then when I woke,
Quick,
like,
I can't